Hi everyone, we are Panax Display, a company that specialized in small and medium displays including LCD, OLED, and Micro OLED. Today we are here to demonstrate a customized 6.08-inch 2K LCD for 3D printing system. Our 6.08 is a TFT LCD, with 1620 by 2560 pixel resolution. It has a MIPI interface, 2.8-volt logic voltage. Our demonstration is testing this LCD with a professional external backlight device. Connect the computer with MIPI to HDMI converter board. This new LCD, it's without backlight. Now 3D printer manufacturers don't need to remove backlight of original LCD such as Sharp 5.5-inch 2K LCD, JDI 8.9-inch 2K LCD. And this 6.08 is Monochrome LCD which abandoned full color mode, then UV light will go through LCD with higher efficiency. The thicker thickness, 1.3 mm, also make this 6.08 have a long lifetime when bare UV light. If you are interested in our Monochrome LCD, please go to our website, www.panaxdisplay.com, and contact us. We'll be always at your service. Thanks for watching.